AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Gemini are revolutionizing how we interact with technology, but a new BBC study reveals they're still far from perfect, especially when it comes to summarizing news. The study tested 4 popular AI chatbots, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and Perplexity, by asking them to summarize 100 BBC news stories. The results? Over half of the AI-generated summaries had significant issues, with 19% containing outright factual errors, like incorrect dates, numbers, or even misrepresenting key details. For example, Gemini falsely claimed the NHS didn't recommend vaping to quit smoking, while ChatGPT and Copilot incorrectly stated that Rishi Sunak and Nicola Sturgeon were still in office long after they'd left. But the problems don't stop there. The study also found that AI struggles to differentiate between fact and opinion, often editorializing or omitting crucial context. This isn't entirely surprising, given recent issues like Apple Intelligence's new summarization errors, which led to the feature being temporarily removed from iOS 18.3. While Microsoft's Copilot and Google's Gemini performed worse than ChatGPT and Perplexity, the study underscores a critical point. AI isn't yet reliable for news summarization. That said, AI is improving rapidly. Sam Altman recently noted that AI is advancing faster than Moore's Law, and my own testing shows fewer inaccuracies in tools like ChatGPT compared to just a few months ago. But for now, it's best to take AI-generated news summaries with a grain of salt. And for tech news, stick with trusted sources like TechVerse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.